Hey everyone, we got some great news for Alphabet stock investors here in this video. I'll share with you what these latest developments are and why that's great news for Alphabet stock investors. So let's take a look at the details. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. All right, so starting with YouTube, Alphabet saying that viewers are watching YouTube over 1 billion hours of YouTube content on TVs daily. That's just on TVs. That's not even counting how many hours people are watching YouTube on their phones and devices, as YouTube is becoming the most popular device or the most popular streaming format for viewers worldwide. And streaming is becoming the more dominant format for consuming content. YouTube has surpassed 100 million music and premium subscribers globally, including those that are using the trial version. And I think YouTube is one of the best services out there, streaming services wise. There's millions of creators making several different, you can find just about any kind of content you're looking for. And it really allows viewers to find their thing, right? Whereas streaming services like Netflix is great, don't get me wrong, but they are more for like widespread, broadly popular content, not really tailoring content to every viewer's individual needs. Whereas on YouTube, you could find a creator that's suited to your individual needs, that creates the kind of content that you like to watch, not necessarily maybe the type of content that every single person in that genre wants to watch. So I like YouTube. I use it often, and I think it's a great product. I'm actually, of course, you're probably watching this on YouTube right now. If you're not already aware, YouTube also has a live TV streaming platform, streaming content service, and it now has more than 8 million paid subscribers. It's the leader in this category. The last update I've seen for Disney's Hulu Live TV, which is, I think, second place in this category, was around 4.5 million subscribers. YouTube TV has more than 8 million. And then Fubo TV is, I think, in a distant third place with a little over 1 million subscribers. So YouTube TV dominating in this category where people that preferred to have that bundled cable TV subscription with live sports, but didn't want to have a cable connection. They wanted to have it streaming, and YouTube TV is one option for those viewers, and it's becoming more and more popular now with 8 million paid subscribers. Also, Waymo is Alphabet's fully autonomous service. That's right. Alphabet already has driverless cars on the roads today, right? Something that Tesla has been promising investors since 2015, 2016. Alphabet is already out there on the roads, and they continue to grow ridership in San Francisco, in Phoenix, and they're starting offering paid rides in Los Angeles and testing rider-only trips in Austin. So they're rolling out in more and more cities. They're collecting data, they're expanding service, and they may get to driverless, fully autonomous car technology ahead of Tesla. And they may roll this out broadly faster than Tesla does. It might be more effective than Tesla, or they might, be out there at the same time. It's not going to be, it doesn't necessarily need to be just one company that's offering driverless car technology or autonomous vehicles on the roads. It could be several companies. Alphabet has Waymo. Tesla, of course, is trying to develop their robo-taxi. GM has the cruise segment, and there is Zoox. I saw several Zoox out there on the road. And so there's several of these autonomous potential out there for several companies trying to achieve this technology. Google went on to say that their services revenue of $70 billion were up 14% year over year, and that was led by solid growth in the retail segment, particularly with strength from the Asia-Pacific region. YouTube ads were up 21% year over year. So within their overall business, the YouTube ads business is growing faster than the business overall. They go on to say that subscriptions, platforms, and devices year over year revenue increased 18%. driven by strong growth in YouTube subscriptions. AI innovation across their ads ecosystem is core to every aspect of their product portfolio, from targeting, bidding, creative measurement, and across campaign types. And I've been talking about this for a while now, that the AI for Alphabet, for YouTube specifically, is really a potential catalyst to really boost that segment for Alphabet. If Alphabet can get better at recommending the right video for you at the right moment, then it can increase engagement considerably. The trouble is getting that right. If they can get that right, they can really increase engagement on the platform. And of course, if you're watching more often, then you're getting shown more advertising, and Alphabet is benefiting from that increase in ad revenue. So using artificial intelligence alone, just in the YouTube area, can really provide a big catalyst for Alphabet longer term. And that's just one area of its business where it can use artificial intelligence. Another area it's using AI is smart bidding, and it's using AI to predict future ad conversions and their value in helping businesses stay agile and responsive to rapid shifts in demand. As advances accelerate in their underlying AI models, their ability to help businesses find users in speed and scale will drive ROI, and that'll just keep getting better. Getting the right advertisement to the right user in the right moment. Now, how rare is it for you to see an advertisement for something that you're actually interested in? I don't know how many ads we get shown every day, but it's probably in the dozens at this point, if not more. And I can count on one hand how many of those ads are actually relevant to something that I'm interested in. I get shown advertisements for all kinds of stuff, and more than 95% of the time, it's an advertisement for something that I'm in no way, shape, or form interested in. It would be a lot more valuable to advertisers and marketers and businesses all if they can show you only the ads that are relevant for you, right? It makes no sense to show an advertisement for a steak restaurant in Los Angeles, California, to a vegan that's living in Miami, Florida. There is very small chance that vegan in Miami, Florida is going to be a customer of the steak restaurant in Los Angeles, California. So you don't want to show the person that advertisement. It's a waste of your money as an advertiser, as a business, to show that person the advertisement. And then on top of that, you're annoying the person because you're showing them something that's irrelevant, and it makes them have a poor opinion of your brand. You may open a vegan restaurant at some point in the future under the same company name, and now that person has a bad memory of your company because you repeatedly showed them advertisement to something they were not interested in. So it's a win-win solution opportunity here. As Alphabet incorporates more of this data and enhances its AI model, it can really enhance the advertising experience for its merchants, and then that'll boost the return on investment, which will then make businesses want to spend more with Alphabet, because if you're spending $100 and you're getting $150 in business in return, then you're going to keep spending, right? That's a great return on investment. And so as they do that, it'll just feed that positive virtuous cycle that'll keep businesses coming back, spending more. And since they're getting more in money in business themselves, they'll have more money to spend. And it's a nice cycle that can keep going forward. I'm looking forward to see Alphabet develop this over the next several months and years. So a lot of good news here for Alphabet stock investors. Before I let you go, let me tell you about the greatest deal on YouTube. With just a click of a button, you can get free financial analysis from a professor with decades of investing experience. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.